Welcome. We'll be discussing another aspect of SPSS data analysis. First, we'll be discussing how to create categorical variable out of scale variable. Next thing is we'll be discussing how to do sorting, that means case and variable sorting. In order to begin with the first one, that is creating a categorical variable out of a scale variable, that can be useful in several scenarios. If you have any age data in absolute numbers, then you can categorize those as youngsters, adults and seniors. Another example is when you want to categorize according to the income. So when you have in absolute numbers income data, you can convert into low income, middle income and high income. To begin with, first we can visit Transport tab, then select Visual Binding. We'll be using age variable, so we'll be transferring it to variable to bin. Thereafter press continue. Then you will be shown with this data, spread of the data, dispersion. Here you can mention the new name. I'll be naming as categorical age, and here also in the label categorical age. Next, we have to select upper endpoint as excluded. Next, select make cut points. Now we'll be categorizing age as youngsters, adults and seniors. So there will be 3 categories, and accordingly number of cut points will be only 2, that is less than the categories, 1 less than the category. First cut point location, we will be separating in this manner: less than 25, 25 to 50 and above 50. So first one is 25. Number of cut points, we have 3 categories, so cut points 3 minus 1 is 2. Then the width, that means it will be showing figure that is calculated by the system, so we can exclude that and we can proceed with our own width, that means number of the width between one bucket to another bucket, that means 25 to 50. So width will be 25 and we can apply this one. Thereafter we have to make modifications in make labels. Select that. Here below 25 we will be categorizing them as youngsters. Next is adults. Next is seniors. So we will be pressing OK and proceeding. It will be asking binding specifications will create one variable. Press OK. So in your variable view, you will be noticing the new variable at the bottom, that is cat age, label categorical age. So when you go to data view and visit the right hand side final column, you can identify this cat age column, and it has been prepared with these three categories: adults, seniors and youngsters, as per given instructions. So we can check this in this data view. When we press this value label icon, it will be changing as per our instruction. 1, 2, 3. 1 for youngsters, 2 for adults, 3 for seniors. And another thing to cross check this one is, go to analyze, then select descriptives, then select frequencies, and just transfer this variable into variable list and press OK, and you will be noticing this has been done perfectly and divided into young, adults and seniors accordingly. Next learning point for SPSS for today's session is sorting, and this also could be done case wise and variable wise. To initiate with, we will be first moving with case wise sorting. That means, for an example, if you have males and females, data set can be divided into males and females, and it will be visualized in that manner. So to begin with, we can select data, press that tab, then select sort cases, then select gender and transfer, and it will be showing once you hit OK. So in the data view, you can see females have been given initially, and at the latter part of the data you can see figures pertaining to male counterparts. And this also can be done for two aspects. For an example, when you visit data and select sort cases, now we can do it for both age and education. Select age first, then select education, and this press OK, and your data will be arranged accordingly. Now we have used age and education aspects. So age wise this is being given, second education. At the beginning we can see those youngsters with lower level of educational qualifications, and we go down, we can see adults with higher educational qualifications, and at the bottom you can see senior citizens with higher level of educational qualifications. As per given instructions, now data is be arranged in that manner. Next thing is sorting data variable wise. So select data, select sort variables. You can do this for different manner. You can sort the variables as per name, type, width, and so on and so forth. If you take name, it will be arranged these variables according to the alphabetical order. Once you visit variable view, you can identify variables are beginning with letters starting with A up to Z. And if you select data, sort variables, and if you select type, it will be arranged as per measures such as nominal, ordinal or scale. And under variable view you can see arranging of variables as per measure. Nominal first, thereafter other. With that, we have already discussed creating categorical variable out of scale variables and sorting case-wise and also variable-wise. With that, we will be concluding today's session, and if you are interested, just comment, and also you can share this among your colleagues as well. Thanks for watching.